Be patient. Everything is coming together. Four things you can't get back: the stone after it's thrown, the word after it's said, the occasion after it's missed, the time after it's gone. Be the person you needed when you were hurting. Sometimes the ones with the kindest hearts carry the heaviest burdens. Being grateful attracts more things to be grateful about. It's a magic key to happy and fulfilling life. When things are going well, don't forget to thank your team behind the scene. You didn't come this far just to survive. You are here to bloom in place you once wilted. Just because they carry it will doesn't mean it's not heavy. I want to live a simple life without stress or worry. I don't need a lot of stuff. I just want to be happy. I don't want a perfect life. I want a happy life. Real love feels like freedom, not fear.